Instagram algorithm is teaching everybody what to do with their life, how to, live, how to eat, how to live, how to exit, how to come back, how to sleep, how to talk, what medicines to take, what to do with life. So I'm also telling you something. I will read it out for you. Although everything in the universe is the same energy, it functions at a different levels of capability in different forms. The same energy functions in one plant to create roses. In another plant, it functions to create jasmine. With the same material with which people made earthen pots, we now make computers, cars, and even spacecrafts. It is the same material, we have just started using it for higher and higher possibilities. Essentially, natural evolution is a similar phenomenon from the same material of this planet. What an incredible journey has been made from an amoeba to human being. It is the same with our inner energies. Yoga is the technology of upgrading, activating, and refining these inner energies for the highest possibilities. Suddenly, your capabilities reach a level of brilliance that you never imagined possible. An accidental and limited life turns near miraculous, but yoga performs an even deeper function that ensuring well-being at body, mind, and energy levels. Literally, yoga means union. When you are in yoga, it means that in your experience, everything has become one. This is the essence of the science. This is also its deepest aim. What is this union? What unites with what? Right now, you are aware of someone called me and someone called the other. This me and other can be extended to a group of people, communities, and nations, but fundamentally, me and other is the basis of conflict in universe. The whole point of yoga is to bring you to an experience where if you sit here, there is no such thing as you and me. It is all me or all you. Any process that helps you to reach this union is yoga. So basically, it's not just asanas, pranayams, or shuddhi kriyas. It is everything about your life that can be termed as yoga.